Haka jingilang ka kinhon menteri jong ka Sorkar MDA tu ka bala penlong haka shitarik ujembang arajar arpusan kala shim ya ka rai ban Kyntiew no ya ki hinreu tu liki Skul Sorkar shaka Kyrdan Higher Secondary School bat ia kanila pentip daw nong aitin ka Sorkar ba pol lingdo ubadairu menteri badai pen ya katanat ki kam jungok kai perthei haba pentip ya kani shakilat pathai khubor ba pol ulaong bagini ki Skul ki Kyntiew ya ka Rambai Government Secondary School ka Thlong Nong Tylli Government Secondary School ka Nong Talang Government Secondary School ka Tirot Memorial Government Secondary School ka Tura Bat Joai Public School haka Jinglut ka bashi Klur tingka manla Snem nalor ka tau la pentip ruban Kyntiew ya ka Science but Commerce stream hakikat to ka ni ki Skul ki bempat don ya kini ki launching pule
need to upgrade the quality of education in our state. As you are aware, there is a deficit in our intake capacity at the 11th standard, which stands at 12,000 seats. And there is also a disproportionate concentration of higher secondary schools, mostly in urban areas and in the Khasi Jaitia Hills region. So to address this shortfall, the cabinet today decided to upgrade a total number of 6 government secondary schools to higher secondary schools. These are the Rambai Government Secondary School, East Jaitia Hills District, the Thlong Nong Tylli Government Secondary School, which will now have arts and science stream, Nong Talang Government Secondary School, Nong Talang, Tirot Singh Memorial Government Secondary School at Kyrwoh, Tura Public School, and Joai Public School. These schools will now be upgraded from secondary to higher secondary schools and will meet this shortfall by adding around 9,000 new seats immediately. I think the department will work that out now that we have adopted we have approved this latest amendment. As I mentioned, altogether, it will have an effect of, we are upgrading 6 and adding new streams in 11 schools. So that number will be worked out. We are thinking along those lines, but beginning with where we have the most deficit in terms of numbers, which is at the higher secondary. You must have seen the plight of students, thronging everywhere to get admissions. I'm talking only of government schools, higher secondary schools being upgraded, okay? But this is the overall deficit throughout the state, whereby we also have institutions like the church institutions running such schools. So that deficit is currently being addressed by them, but a major shortfall is being addressed in today's cabinet, raising the tally to 9,000. But by the next academic year, we should be able to match that, bridge that gap as well.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta ka dur jingki marbam ka jingma lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba khambha ka jing im ba khambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya